Have you ever wondered how small bakeries pump out thousands of perfect cookies every single day? Well, guess what? It's not magic. It's machines. And today, I'm breaking down the top 7 cookies-making machines that can help you start a small cookie-making business or scale your existing one. Whether you're planning to sell cookies from home, start a commercial kitchen, or open a bakery, stick until the end because the last machine is an absolute beast. So, grab your cup of tea, sit tight, let's jump into the world of cookie machines. Kicking off with the Seny Machinery automatic cookie making machine from Shanghai, China. This compact powerhouse is your budget-friendly entry to pro-level mosaic and filled cookies, churning 20 to 120 pieces per minute, up to 7,200 hourly, in a sleek stainless steel frame powered by just 2.2 kilowatts at 220 volts. Why it's the best for newbies? It's insanely budget-friendly at $4,600 to $8,300 with a 1-year warranty and MOQ of 1 set, making it ideal for low-investment startups. No engineering skills needed, just load dough, 10 to 250-gram weights, tweak molds for patterns or fillings like figs and nuts, and let EU-certified automation handle the rest for consistent, viral-worthy results. High-tech touches like full customization and online support mean you experiment risk-free, selling premium packs at $5 per dozen to cafes for $300 to $500 daily net after 10 cents per piece costs. Best for home bakery solos or low-volume cafes craving that wow factor without warehouse woes. Grab it if space and savings are your jam. Next is the Orangemech Industrial Biscuit Manufacture Machine out of Henan, China. A multifunctional beast for rapid scaling, depositing 100 to 300 kilograms per hour of twist, wire cut, or Jenny cookies via touchscreen precision and a PU conveyor belt, all in customizable 304 stainless steel at flexible 220 volts/380 volts. It's a high production hero, outputting 1,000 plus pieces daily with low energy draw, but shines as budget-friendly too at $2,180 to $3,650 plus CE certification and free parts. Perfect for entrepreneurs ditching manual mess for efficient, dough-versatile ops. Hard-soft mix is welcome. The tech edge? Modular units for endless shapes and decorations, backed by 100% positive reviews and on-site tweaks, letting you wholesale at 50 cents per piece for $500 easy revenue via online stores. Tailor-made for medium-sized hustlers or high-demand e-com brands ready to grow fast. If you're eyeing factory vibes on a shoestring, this turns small business into Cookie King overnight. For shape-shifting versatility, the Henan Ocean Industrial Cookie Machine dominates with 100 to 300 kilograms per hour capacity, extruding, twisting, pulling, and cutting diverse forms. Round, square, filled, patterned, in durable 304 stainless steel. Customizable at 220 volts/380 volts for seamless bakery flow. Why top tier? It's high production gold for non-stop runs. 500 to 800 cookies per hour. Yet budget savvy at $3,198 to $3,650 with 1-year coverage and low MOQ, ideal for beginners via one-touch ease and EU-compliant stability that rarely glitches. Tech perks like mold swaps for macarons or fortunes add premium flair, fueling $1 per piece sales to gift shops for $500 per day profits. 96% review love proves it. Prime for hotel bakers, cloud kitchens, or commercial plants chasing reliability. If downtime's your nightmare, this stable workhorse builds empires without the breakdowns. Craving colorful eye candy? The TG Machine Puff Biscuit 3-color form cookie make machine from China layers tricolor magic into 200 to 300 kilograms per hour of puff pastries and swirled cookies. Using automatic pressing in a tidy 1,220 by 980 by 1,340 millimeters, 304 stainless steel setup at 35 kilowatts electric power. It's the high-tech creative's dream. Multifunctional extrusion for premium aesthetics like berry-striped treats, but steps up production without breaking the bank at $10,000 to $15,000. Bulk drops to $10,000. With CE certs and on-site service. For new entrepreneurs, the wow factor versatility, Hong Kong Jenny styles, dog biscuits too, justifies 0.75 retail pricing, netting 500 plus from 2,000 daily units via farmers markets. Easy cleaning and EU standards keep ops smooth. Best for premium brands, pastry shops, or dessert cafes where visuals sell. If your edge is Instagrammable indulgence, this aesthetic ace turns hobbies into high-margin hits. Scaling to beast mode, the HNOC automatic biscuit machine from Henan, China, is a full-line monster, pumping 100 to 1,000 kilograms per hour of soft biscuits via auto-forming, PU belts, and customizable molds in rugged 304 stainless steel at 5.5 kilowatts, 220 to 380 volts. Unmatched for massive production, 5,000 plus cookies per day, it's surprisingly budget-friendly at $2,400 to $8,000, with MOQ 1 and free Year 1 parts. High-tech automation like voltage tweaks and project design make it newbie navigable for factory dreams. Sell B2B at 40 cents cost to $1 markup for $500 profits, expanding flavors effortlessly. Ideal for large-scale exporters, startup factories, or market dominators. If you're bootstrapping a cookie conglomerate, this powerhouse delivers volume without the vaulting costs. Indulge in fillings with the Gondor creaming 20cm small Choco sandwich. Make stuffing jam-filled biscuit and cookie chocolate machine from Henan, China, crafting 200 to 300 sandwich pieces per minute. Round, square, rect, 35 to 75 millimeters, with precise cream, jam, chocolate layering in a 3,800 by 950 by 1,500 millimeter frame at 3 kilowatts at 220 volts. High production perfection for Oreo-style stacks. It's budget smart at $5,500 to $6,500, bulk savings, with easy op CE tech and video support. Low power and MOQ, one suit small ops, while double row molds boost efficiency for $2 per pack sales, netting $500 from 250 units daily. Tech like filling consistency and OEM branding empowers flavor innovation, caramel to Nutella. Suited for snack makers, large bakeries, or online high sellers loving creams. If stuffed treats are your niche, this money printer fills wallets as fast as cookies. Wrap in with balance, the Cheng Mini Automatic Cookie Biscuit Depositor Machine, ST510 Tiramisu Edition, from Shanghai, China, extrudes wheat flour drops for tiramisu cookies in a lightweight 150 by 106 by 160 centimeters, 304 stainless steel body at 1.2 kilowatts electric. Multifunctional nozzles for 200 to 500 kilograms per hour-ish precision. It's the high-tech compact king. Auto extrusion for dozens of shapes, budget-friendly at $6,000 to $7,000 with overseas engineers and sample customs. 90% reviews rave about easy maintenance for growing pains. Price gourmet at $500 revenue from 1,500 daily deposits via pop-ups. Perfect for expanding cloud kitchens or affordable high performers. If you need power without the sprawl, this sweet spot scaler grows your grind gracefully. Now, let's make this super easy. Which of these money-making machines is your perfect match? If you're a total beginner just starting from your kitchen or garage with almost zero experience, go straight for the Seny machinery. It's the friendliest, most budget-friendly beast that gives you pro-looking mosaic and filled cookies without overwhelming you. If you're ready to level up to medium production and want to supply cafes, schools, or online stores without breaking the bank, either the Orangemech or Henan ocean machines will blow your mind with 100 to 300 kilograms per hour of rock-solid, consistent output. Dreaming of premium, Instagram-worthy, colorful cookies that customers pay double for? The TG machine, with its magical 3-color technology, is literally built to make your brand look expensive and taste amazing. Planning to go big and turn this into a real mini factory that pumps out thousands of cookies a day? The HNOC full production line is your monster. Up to a full ton per hour and ready to dominate wholesale or export. Obsessed with cream-filled, chocolate-stuffed Oreo-style cookies that fly off the shelves? Gondor sandwich machine will print money faster than you can say, "Who wants seconds?" And finally, if you want the absolute best bang for buck, tons of capacity, stainless steel quality, and room to grow without spending a fortune, the Cheng Mini Depositor is the smart entrepreneur's secret weapon. So tell me in the comments right now, which one just screamed, "That's mine"? Your perfect cookie empire starts with that one decision. Let's go make 2026 ridiculously profitable. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, comment below which machine you want me to review next, and subscribe for more product breakdowns like this. Your support helps me bring more honest reviews and research-backed recommendations. Check the links in the description to view all machines, updated prices, and supplier details. Starting a cookie business can be one of the easiest and most profitable small businesses, and choosing the right machine is the first step. I'll see you in the next video.